Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. I just did a video. I'm going to be posting it right before I post this one on my single swag box. And in case you didn't stay till the very end of that video, I did kind of a disclaimer because yesterday I posted a video. I said basically I wanted to end my channel. I'm getting discouraged. And I do appreciate everybody's comments that you left comments. Don't cancel your channel. We like to see you. And I may have in the video misspoke because I said that the people that seem to get the most subscribers are the people that do a lot of giveaways. That is not how I meant it to come out. Nobody is attacking me for saying that, but I just want to get that out in the open right now before somebody does come back and attack me for saying that. I do not mean that they buy subscribers by doing giveaways. No, they can afford to do giveaways, and that's wonderful, and it's fun. It makes their channels fun. They don't do it for the purpose of getting millions of subscribers. They do it because it's fun. And I do giveaways too because they're fun. But I can't do them as often as others. That's all I meant. So if any YouTubers out there or watched the YouTube video I posted yesterday and they're like, I can't believe she said that we're like doing this just to get subscribers. That's not what I meant. And like I said, nobody has attacked me. No one said anything. Nobody Instagrammed me saying, you know, how could you say such a thing? No, I am just doing, what is that called? I can't get my words together, but I'm trying to get it settled before it begins. You know, if something, I just want to make sure this doesn't blow up into something bigger, because sometimes I don't think about how my words come across to other people. That being said, let's move on. Birchbox. So, I did a whole video last month of, thank God Birchbox is gone. I'm so happy Birchbox is gone. I don't want to spend, you know, if they were taking $14 a month for a year out of my account for tiny, tiny, tiny bitty samples. And one of my samples last month in my last box came spilled. It was just open and it made my box all wet, you know, and it was a nice box like this one, the kind that open and there it has a little magnet there. And I did contact the company because I would just, you know, I wanted another box. They don't need to give me the stuff inside or replace the product. Do something. Well, they did something. They said, we'll just give you a free box next month. And I mean, wow, that was wonderful, except I don't really like Birchbox. But I'm going to tell you right now, they may have changed my mind with this box. I'm not going to resubscribe right now. But if you see what's in this box, or if you've seen other unboxers unbox it already, you'll see why. Okay. So let me get my glasses right here. And I'm going to show you the product sizes seem to have gotten a little bit bigger. I have this already, and I do use this every now and again. This is Oribe, I believe it's called. It's a shampoo. This is dry texturing spray. Okay, so this is dry texturing spray, which kind of just, I put it in my hair, and I'll go ahead and use it. Let me see. I just kind of, you know, spray it in my hair, and it kind of just gives it a little bit of lift, a little bit of body. So, you know, I do like this spray. I'm, you know, obviously going to keep it now. I just used it. Kind of made a mess of my hair, but usually doesn't. All right. So they're saying a full size of that would be $48. Then they sent, well, foil packets. I hate foil packets. But this is the Oribe shampoo and conditioner. They're saying the full size of these would be $52. So I got to go ahead and check that out. I'm not sure about that, but maybe. All right. And then the scent, I mean, I guess the thing that impressed me about this box was the amount of stuff in this box. The sample sizes are still pretty small, but they've also done away with their old boxes, or at least for the last 3 months, they've been sending these beautiful reusable boxes that I love so much. So last month I think was a pink one, and pink is my favorite color, and I believe it was pink, but that one got ruined. But anyway, I did get some foil packets. These are, it says Busy Company, and I'm looking down here. These are Clarity and Cleanse Facial Serum Pads. That's interesting. It says, busy day, don't worry, your skin won't suffer when you use these refreshing face wipes that calm and tone skin. Okay.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Siri wants to keep talking to me today. They're saying
Sorry, I couldn't find anything called keep talking nearby today.
they're saying that the full size of these would be $12, and I don't know what they mean by a full size. Like, how many is in a full size? It doesn't say, but that's an interesting product. I mean, the amount of products in this box, I think is very good. So here's Real Chemistry. This is a cleanser, a foaming cleanser. Always like to get cleansers. This is by Real Chemistry. It said it's a female founded company. It says the full size is $24. So face cleansers I like. I'm trying to keep this box away from Brooklyn because I want to keep this box. And then I've got, what else do I have? This is Wander Drift Away Cleanser, another cleanser. So let's see. Drift Away Cleanser, they say the full size of this, $32. It's a foaming face wash. So I love that product. And then this is kind of tiny. Let's see. This is an Active Pureness mask. It's a clay mask. I don't usually use these type of products here, but this is the only thing that I will not use. So let me see. It's by, let's see if I can find this. Beauty, Real Chemistry, Dry Texturing Spray, Shampoo Conditioner. Okay, Comfort Zone. Here it is. Don't know why I couldn't find it at first. They're saying the full size of this is $39. So it's made with green clay, has a mattifying, purifying effect. So I don't know if I'll use it or not. I really don't. And, you know, I don't join a lot of the collabs the other ladies do, like the Face Mask Mondays or anything like that, because I'm not good at schedules anymore. Of course, when I was working all the time, I would get up in the morning, go to work, come home. You know, always everything was on a schedule. Not so much in my life anymore. So, you know, Face Mask Mondays, I was just kind of going to say that, you know, maybe I could start doing Face Mask Mondays, but I guarantee if I do, it won't be a regular thing. It'll probably be like one Monday, and then I won't do it for another month. But, you know, I've got enough masks to do it, so I don't know. Maybe if I can talk my daughter Nicole into recording with me, and she can do a mask as well, and we can do it together side by side. She's going like this, like that. Come on, Nicole. One of these days, will you get in front of the camera and say hi to everyone? No? She's saying no, but she did once. She photobombed one of my recordings before, if you haven't seen that one, but she did. She was in my video very quickly, but she was. So everyone, that is my Birchbox. I was actually very happy with this box. I'm happy with the actual box and the amount of products they gave. And, you know, I like the products that they gave. I really do. You know, it's kind of, I still think, even though I don't get Ipsy anymore either, I still kind of think Ipsy is kind of better because of the makeup bags that you get. The sample sizes seem a little bit bigger. Sometimes you get a full-size product in those little Ipsy bags, you know, so I do think it's kind of better. But Birchbox, I believe they were bought out by another company. If I'm wrong, let me know. But they have been making some changes. I do know that. So yeah, I think they're on the right path. Let's just say that. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. I would greatly appreciate to know that you were here watching. And please subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much. Bye.